If you're looking for an easy way to elevate your kitchen, just add some greenery or just little pieces of decor like these razors. This one right here, just putting things on a pedestal instantly gives it a great look. So this is what it looks like without the razor. You see what I mean? It looks pretty plain. It still looks great, but it just doesn't have that oomph that you want to have elevated design. So there we go. We'll start with the razor. There you go. Much better. And little small touches like this little kitchen brush. Looks cute and it's actually functional. And I also like to add little small things like this on the razor. Just put that in the back. And then I always like to have hand cream because whenever you wash your hands in the kitchen, your hands feel dry. But I don't like the look of the hand cream, so I kind of hide it. I'm going to put it in the back right here so it's hidden. And there you go, you got that little instantly elevated decor in your kitchen.